Hey, hello folks, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video we are going to see all about the right joins and how it works and how to execute the query and how to run the query. Everything we are going to see in this video. If you are new, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. Let's see all about the right joins. Okay, firstly I will tell you that this is my customers table and this is my orders table, and this one which you are seeing in the center, this is known as the common data. From these both tables I have removed the common data. And if we talk about the how does the right joint works, means as you can see here, it will create a new table and in which it will add all about the right side tables. Right side means order tables. All data it will add here, and after that plus it will add all the data from the common data, and it will add all the data of the common data. As you can see here, it has been added the right side tables order data, and after that it has added the common data. And this is how our right join table looks like this. And now we are going to see about how to execute the query, and this is our query. And only we have to do here right and just run the query. As you can see here, this is our right join query. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.